Got room for one more if you still want to go to Aspen.
Where did you find that?
Some kid back in town. Traded the van for it, straight up. I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
You know, Lloyd, just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber, you go and do something like this. And totally redeem yourself!
Still want to go to Aspen?
Oh, yeah! Okay, let's go, buddy!
Oh. That sure is warm.
So we appear to be having some carburetor issues again. Yeah, so unfortunately it's probably got like a rock or a pebble chilling in there.
I don't know. It's not very happy.
Yeah.
So I'm not quite sure what's going on, but it seems like there's like something stuck in the carburetor. Really don't think it's the gas or fuel filter because it's all brand new. So every time we stop, it's like when we get back on the highway and doesn't want to idle anymore, and yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. So I think we're gonna try and camp here soon, and we're gonna pull it apart and see what's up.
Idea of a camping spot, and my lovely boyfriend has decided to say okay.
You're always heat stroke. Wow, this is beautiful. So, Kiersey's always heat stroked. So yeah, making her some shit, I guess. Damn, look at that.
What is this? That's Thai tea. That's mine.
Ooh, yeah. Hey.
So tonight we're gonna try and make these really crushed white corn chips. They're gonna be with our steak, which is our beef, and then we got a bag of cheese and a torch because we don't have an oven. So this is our idea. What?
It's mine.
So you layer. And we precariously propped the fire next to our food station so that we would have smoked nachos. Okay, shut up. Okay, so now the wind has changed to a 180 position, and we are both over here shielding and yeah. Nachos in a wok. Nachos in a wok. Out.
The last final.
We are having our nachos in a wok. We're getting smoked out. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to try this. Has anyone else made nachos while camping? If you have, what have you done? So today, we only drove like 3.5 hours?
I think 4.
4? So we didn't drive too far, as we have been lately, because we really need to recharge. And Lugnut needs to recharge also. What can I say? So we do this thing where one person chooses a camping spot one night and the other person chooses it the next. So tonight I chose this one called Twin Falls.
Yeah, I think so.
And wait, Twin.
That's where we were yesterday.
Oh right.
And
shit.
now we're
oh my
in
God.
Twin Lakes.
What the fuck? All right.
Remember, we saw Twin Ridges, or what was it? Twin like plateau, or
What's up with all the twinning?
and I saw twinning. That's really weird.
No one else would get this but us. We're in Twin Falls and it's a free campground.
Twin Lakes.
Damn it. So yeah. So yeah, we're in Twin Lakes.
Far away from you.
My little arms like.
Aww.
So yeah, guys, we're still headed on our way to Rotorite Rampage in South Carolina, and we've been ever so graciously sponsored our gas money from Chad Capper himself.
The
And
man.
this shit is good.
So good.
So we will be there at Rotorite Rampage on the 6th and the 7th, and there might be some kind of cool art. I think there's gonna be tons of cool art because Flyno has a really sick art exhibition.
Do you hear that?
What? Oh my
I don't know,
God.
there's like something big over there.
Weird.
It's weird, it like stopped. Okay, what were you saying? What about Flynosaurus?
Flyno has a sick art exhibition there. You guys gotta check it out. I'm excited to see it. I just want to eat right now.
What's going on in here?
Dirty. Lay down.
So this is our setup. Pretty sweet.
It's cozy.
It's so cozy.
Gonna do drone things in it. Hang out. This is like what we normally do at home, basically. We just hang out in our safe space.
And like Netflix's penis.
Yep. By the way, the stars here are absolutely beautiful tonight. You can see the Milky Way, very crisp, and all sorts of other things. Saw like this weird laser in the sky that was like super strong. It was pretty cool.
Like that doesn't really seem to hear it. Did you hear that, babe? Babe.
Babe, seriously? Not funny.
Where's the light?
Don't go outside.
I'm not going to. Don't worry. What is that? It's like coming from over there. What? We just heard the same noise that we heard earlier, but it's like way closer. And we're kind of spooked out because this is like a free campground. It's kind of eerie. I don't know. And the lights keep flickering too. Look at Kirsten, she's so scared.